Hi, it's Jennifer.
And Tania.
And we're from the
Boys and Girls Club of Phillips County.
Okay, you guys, we're going to start you off with a little icebreaker. Please feel free to join in if you want.
Wait.
Thanks for joining in on our icebreaker. Now we will make our art project, which is Play-Doh. First, we have 1 cup of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of warm water, 1 cup of baking soda, and food coloring. First, in a saucepan with no heat, add the cornstarch, baking soda, and water. You're going to stir it. And then you're going to turn on the heat to medium. Continue stirring constantly, and it will start to bubble slightly. That's when this happens. As you see that the Play-Doh has cooled down, and we're ready to add the food color. Which color would you like, Tamia?
Blue and red.
Blue and red. All right. No more than 2 to 3 drops. Have a V and an L. I hope you enjoyed our art project today. Make your homemade Play-Doh.